Want to shine like a star at your next event? Craving to capture the allure of the night sky in your makeup? Well, you've come to the right place. Welcome to this glitter glam makeup tutorial, your guide to sparkling like a celestial body. First things first, prepare your canvas, your face. Start with a clean slate. Remove any remnants of previous makeup and cleanse your face. A soft, clean face is the best foundation for any makeup look. Then, apply a hydrating moisturizer to keep your skin plump and radiant. Moving on to the foundation. Choose a foundation that matches your skin tone. Apply it evenly using a beauty blender or brush, ensuring it blends seamlessly with your skin. Next, bring out your features with a touch of contouring. Use a darker shade to define your cheekbones, jawline, and nose. Blend it well to avoid any harsh lines. Follow it up with a dab of blush on the apples of your cheeks for that rosy glow. Now comes the fun part, the eyes. Start with an eyeshadow primer to ensure your makeup stays put. Choose a darker shade for the crease and a lighter one for the eyelid. Blend them well to create a smooth transition. Scene script. Time to add the star of the show, the glitter. Choose a glitter eyeshadow that complements your outfit, or simply your mood. Apply it to the center of your eyelids. A little goes a long way, so be careful not to overdo it. Then, line your eyes with a black kohl pencil to add depth and definition. Finish off the eyes with a generous coat of mascara to make your lashes look fuller and longer. The final touch? The lips. Choose a lipstick color that complements your glitter eyeshadow. Apply it evenly on your lips and add a touch of gloss for that extra shine. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to glitter glam makeup. To summarize, cleanse and moisturize your face, apply foundation and contour, add blush, prepare your eyes with primer and eyeshadow, add glitter, line your eyes and coat your lashes with mascara. And finally, dress your lips in a complementary color with a touch of gloss. Remember, the key to pulling off any makeup look is confidence. So wear your glitter glam makeup with pride and let your inner star shine. Thank you for choosing this tutorial. Until next time, keep sparkling.